Good morning, students. Students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Today, your maths teacher, Atikara, is going to teach you maths subject with the book Maths Work with the Evershine series. So, let's start. So, here, this is the book Maths Work. In that, our first chapter is all about numbers that you have already learned in your second class, numbers till 999. Okay, so first chapter is all about numbers. Today we will start chapter number 1, that is numbers, and it is on page number 5. Yes, students, this is your chapter number 1, numbers. Let's recall. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called digits. We use place value system to read and write numbers. Okay? So pictures representation of number is as following. Here this is represent 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and again it is 5. It means they are 10 in number, that are 10 ones. And then it is 110 means 10. 10 rows, that is equal to 100. So 10 rows, 10 tens are equal to 100. 100 is the smallest number of 3 digit and 999 is the greatest number of 3 digit that you have already learned in your class 2. So first of all, we are going to recall the exercises. Okay, so here it is. Write the place value of underlined digits. Underlined digits are given like it is ones place, it is tens place, and it is 100 place. So we are going to write the place value. So here 7 is going to be right like this, and tens place 0, ones place 0. So its place value is 700. 936. 3, in that 3 is there, so 3030 is the place value of 3 in the place of tens. Here the place value of 3 is 3 only because it is at ones place, so 3 ones. Next is 0, and zero's place value is 0 at the ones place. So now next is second number. Write the expanded form of the following number. Expanded means you have to expand it. First of all, you start with 3. 3, 6 at the place of 6, 0, put 0. At the place of 7, just put 0. That is 300. Next, 6, write 6 and at the 7 place, just write 0. Okay. Now next 7 is left, so 7 as it is without any 0 because it is at ones place. Got the point? Yes, students. Now 700 plus 5050, 5 tens and 9 ones. This is the answer. This is the expanded form. Now insert more than, greater than, less than or equal to. So 956 and 656, which is greater? Obviously it is 9. 956 is greater than. So we are going to make the sign of greater than like this. 490 and 904. So what is in the place of 100? That is 4. and that is 9. So 9 is greater than 4. So we are going to make the sign of greater like this. Okay. Next is 657 and 657 the same way. Same numbers are there, so we will put equal sign here. Next is we have to write ascending order and then we have to write the descending order. Like ascending orders are when the smallest number come first of all 156, comma, now 367, comma, then 780, comma, then 825. This is called ascending order. And when we do it just opposite, like first we will write 825, then 780, then 367, then 156. It means it is descending order. Okay. So here first of all we will do ascending then descending. So 983, 942, 976, 876 and 950. So the smallest number is 876 is the smallest number of all. After that 950 or 942, which is smaller. So 942 is smaller. Next is 950. Okay. Now next number is 983. This is the greatest number of all. So we will write in descending just opposite of it, that. Next is 270 or 277. So 270, comma, 277, comma, 312, comma, 696. So this is the way to do ascending order. Now for descending order, I am writing the answer here. See here, descending order. Just write 825 first, then 780, then 367, then 156, like this. Now B answer is 983, that is the biggest answer, biggest number. Then 950, smaller one. Then 942, the smaller one. Then the smallest one is 876. This is now known as descending order, just opposite to ascending order. Now 696 is the biggest number. So we will write it in the first column. Then 312, then 277, then 270. This is the answer. So students, you got the answer. Ascending or descending order you have already done, but it is of 3 digit. That can also be done. Okay. Now students, now we are going to read it loudly. Write the number that comes before, after and between. This is before sign 870. Before 870 what comes? 870 comes 869, because before 70 69 comes. After 399 400, because after 9 0 comes. What comes in between? 469, 470 and 471 after that. So 4-digit numbers. Now we will do 4-digit numbers. As we know, 3-digit largest number is 999. When we add 1 in that, it comes 1000. 1000 is the smallest number of 4-digit. Okay. One more place has been added to the 3-digit number to make a 4-digit number, that is called thousand place. We read 1000 as 1000. It is the smallest 4-digit number. The largest 4-digit number is Again, we have to put 9 by 4 times. So it is 9,999. So what is the relation between ones, tens and hundred and thousand? 10 ones is 110. 100 ones is 10 tens and 100. 1,000 ones is 100 tens and 10 hundred, that is 1,000. Simple as they are. Now students, we are going to do practice session 1.1. Count forward and fill in the blanks. Forward means आगे, after. Like it is 1001, 1002, 1003 and 1004 will be the next number, comma 1005 will be the next number, comma 1006 will be the next number, comma 1007 will be the last number. Okay, like this. After that, 2,380, 2,381, 2,382. So here we are going to write 2,383. Yes. Next is 2,800, 384. Next is 2,385. Next is with the comma 2,386, like this. So here two blocks are given, buildings are given. Write the number for the following each blocks. So it is at 1,000 place, so it means it is 2 in number. 1, 2, and this is 3 and this is 4. So it means here it is 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it is of 100 place. It is 4. What is at tens place? That is how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4. But at ones place it is nothing. So here we will put 0. So answer is 4,440. Next is 1 and 2 and 3. It means 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 500. And what is at tens place? Nothing. So we will put 0. And here it is only one number. So we put here 1. So answer will be 3,501. Write the numbers for the following. We have to write the numbers. We should know the spelling of 1,000. That is 1,540. So we will write here 1,540. This is the answer. Next is 7,903. 7,000. So we will write here 7,903. So it means there is no number in the place of tens. Yes. Now we will write the spelling also. It is called number name also. So let's see how to write it. Yes, students. Now we will write the number name for 1,042. So see this how to write here. We'll start from here. First we will write the spelling of 1. Okay. 1. Then it will be 1,000. So 1,000 spelling is THOUSAND. 1,000. 1,000 and 40. FORTY. 40. TWO. 42. This is the number name for 1,042. Okay. Next is 6,000. So what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X. Then 1,000 and 6,900 and 3. What is the spelling of 3? That is Three. It is not coming here, so we will write here 3. Three. So 6,903 is the answer. Now write the numbers represent on the abacus. Abacus means what it is representing. How many balls, colorful balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. At the thousand place, that is 2. 2 balls of orange color. After that, 6 balls for blue color, that is of 100 place. 3 balls are of green color, that is of tens place. And 5 balls of red color, that is of ones place. So answer is 2,635. Next is at the thousand place there is 5,200, 4 tens means 40 and 1 ones. So it is the answer 5,241. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the answer at thousand place, 3 is at 100 place, 0 is at tens place, and 2 is at ones place. So answer is 6,302. Okay, students. Next is how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 balls at 1,000 place, 3 balls at 100 place, then again 5 balls for tens place. It means it is 50. Next is 5 balls again at ones place. So it is 5 only. So the what we are going to say here, 5,355 on the abacus. Now 3 balls, it means 3 at the thousand place, 0 at 100 place, and 5 at tens place, and 2 at ones place. So answer is 3,052. There is no number at 100 place. Yes, students. Now we will do 1.2 exercise. In that we are going to make the place value chart. That is, we are going to present it like 5. Only 5 is going to write here. After that 9, but 90 because it is at tens place. Next is 3, but it is 300. After that 1,000. It is the place value of 1,000. Next is 5 at ones place, 70 at tens place, 0 at 100 place. And this is 8. 8,000. 3 zeros will come here. Next is 1 at ones place, 90 at tens place, 3 at 100 place, then 9 at thousand place. So 9,000. This is the answer. Now next is write the place value and face value of the circle digit. Face value, you know that it is face. The number itself is called the face. So place value is, it is the place value that is 60. Why? Because 2 at ones place and 6 at tens place. We will start from right side and we will say ones, tens, 100, 1,000 like this. And this face value is the same, that is 6. The number itself is the face. So next is 9. The place value is 9,000. And the face value is 9 number. That is 9 only. Next is 0. The face value is also, place value is 0. And the face value is also 0. Okay. Next is 90. It means 9/10 place value is there. And 9 is the face value. Yes, it is. Next is fill in the blanks in 8,326. 3 is in the place, in the 100 place. So just write here 100. 1909 is 0 is in place of tens. Just write tens place like this. Okay, students, like this you will learn how to do place value and face value too. Now we will do expanded form. Form is nothing but the representation of place value. That is, it is given here 1827. So we will write here 1000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 7. This is the answer. Next is 9000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 9. This is expanded form. Just we have put zeros and we are putting one number as it is. So write in the short form. Write in the short form we are going to write what is the place of 4, that is 4000 as it is. 4, 3 as it is because it is at 300 place. But at the ones tens place there is nothing, so we put 0 and then 5. Answer will be 4305. Next is 6841. So 6841 like this. Next is 6000. So 6 at 1000 place. There is no number at 100 place, so just put 0. 9 at tens place, 8 at ones place, so just put like this. 6098. Now next is 5697 like this. Okay, now next is what is the predecessor and what is the successor. Successor is, I'm just writing here that it will be easy for you to calculate. When we less 1 from the number, it is predecessor. When we add 1 with the number, it is successor. So what comes before and what comes after, it is like that only. Okay, students, so we will do it. Like 2199 means 2199. What comes before? 2198 will come before. That is predecessor. And if we want to know what is successor, we have to add 2200 will be the successor of this number. Next is 3142 means 3142. 3141 will be the predecessor. And 3143 will be the successor of this number. Yes, next is 9643. So 9642 will be the predecessor and 9644 will be the predecessor, will be the successor. Likewise. Now next is 1000. 1992. So 92, before 92, what comes? 1 comes. 91 comes. So it will be the answer. It will be the producer. And if we add 1, the answer will be 1993. So simple it is. Next is 4928. Just less from 28. The answer will get 27. So this will be the answer. 4927 will be the producer. And next is 4929 will be the successor. Like this, we have done 4-digit predecessors and successor too. And it is so easy just to calculate, just less 1 to get the predecessor, and just to get successor, add with one number. Now students, we will do practice session 1.3. In that we are going to compare the numbers of 1000 to 100 place values. So here it is very clear that if the number are 3 here, it is at 100 place, and the number that are 4 in number that are of 1000 place. So what is bigger in that? It is very clear because 4-digit numbers are bigger. So we are going to draw comparative slip sign, that is 3456. Now 121 and 8914, which is bigger? 8914 is greater. 7651 is bigger, or 299 is bigger? 299 is bigger. 7651 is bigger. Now circle the greatest or biggest number. 3000, 7000, 8000. Which is bigger? We will come to know about this by making the bigger number circled. Okay. Now 5000, 2000, 5000. Here 5000, 5000 same. If it is coming same, then we will see 100 place value, that is 4 and 2. It means 400 and 200. Which is bigger? 400 is bigger. So we are going to circle the biggest number, that is 5487. Now, third point is circle the smallest number, that is 1, 3 and 4. So 1000 is the smallest number, 1390. If they are coming the same, then we will say which is the next number, it is smallest. So 3212 or 3452, 6000 is bigger. So we will not count it. We will see this is smaller and 400 is bigger. So we will circle this like this. Now we are going to do ascending orders. So first of all, 7000, 7000, 7000, 7000, same. Now we will say 200, 200, 900, and this is 29 only. So first number will come here, 7029, because there is no number at 100 place. It is the smallest number. Next is 298 and 290. Which is smaller? 290. So we will write 7290. Next number will be 7298 will be the next number in ascending order. And what is the biggest number? That is 7920. This is the biggest number of all, and it is going to be placed at the last number. Okay, at the last block also. So here next B part is 8000, 9000, 6000, 6000. So 6000 we will see it in our 6000 place. So 6890 or 980. So it will be 6,890 because it is smallest number of all. Now next will be 6,000 only. 6,980 will be the bigger number, but it is smaller to others number too. So next will be 8,000 because 9,000 is bigger. 8,960 will be the next number. After that 9,680 will be the last and the most biggest number. Got the point? Okay, students. Now come to the next point, that is fifth. Arrange each of the following in descending order. Descending order means you have to do it just opposite to ascending order. We have to write the biggest number of all. So here it is 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 6,000. So here it comes 8,000 number. 8,512. Okay, now next number will come of 7,000 because 7,000 is smaller but bigger to all. 7,310 will be the next number. And after this 6,142 x 6,150. So which number will come? 6,150 will come. And the last number, that is the smallest of all, is 6,142. This is the smallest number. Likewise, we are going to do the B part 2 like this. So first of all, in descending order, we will write 7,000, 5,000, 8,000, 6,000. Yes, 8,000 will be the biggest number of all. So we will write here like this, 8,235. Next is 7,251. Next is, it is so simple because no other number is there, 6,375. Now last number, and that is the smallest of all, is 5,517. This is the smallest of all and we are going to write it at the last block. Okay, students? Now students, we are going to do 1.4 exercise. In that, greatest and smallest numbers we can make by giving digits. And digits are, if we want to make greatest number, then we will take great numbers that are bigger than all. It means like this we are going to do. See, 8. 8 is the biggest number of all. So we will write 8 first of all, then 5, then 4, and the smallest number is 3. So this is the greatest number that we can make with these digits, like 5438 is the digit and we are making it at thousand place, that is 8,543. Next is, just make the opposite of it, that 3,458. The last number is going to be the greatest number, so it is going to be the smallest number. Next is, if we want to make this 4-digit number, no, then only we can use like 8 we will write here, 7 we will write after that, then 6, then 0. Next will be, if we want to make the smallest number of all these digits, we put 6 first of all, then 0, then 7, then 8. It is the smallest number of all. Next will be 9,871, means 9,871. And if we want to make the smallest number of all, then we will write 1,789. This will be our smallest number. Okay, students? Now, students, we will do even number and odd numbers that you have already learned. That what is even number? When numbers come at one's place, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that are called odd numbers. That are called odd numbers. Hai. And those numbers that are at one's place, it is 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma 0 also. It is called even number. You just write down in your copy also, just to make it clear, just to revise it, that it is odd and it is even. So if 31 is there, 31 is odd number because 1 is at one's place, that is odd number. 117, 117 is the odd number. Okay. Now 394. We will not see 3, we will not see 9, we will just see 4, that is even number. So just write even. E-V-E-N, even. And after that 655 means it is odd number because at one's place there is 5. 1000 is even number. Why? Because it is 0 at one's place. 1225 is odd number because at one's place it is 5. Write all the numbers between 2980 and 2992. So let's start by writing. Here we have to write even numbers. So it is going to be start like this, that 2982, comma 2984. Just leave one digit in between, that is 3. 983 is going to be skipped. And after that, with the comma, 2986 will be the next number. 2988 will be the next number. 2990 will be the last number in between. Okay, like this. Now write all the odd numbers between. So odd numbers are 5221, comma 5223, comma. Okay. After that, it is from 5200. So we will write here 5201. 201. Okay. Next will be, next with the comma, 5203, comma 5205, comma 5207. Next is 5209. Next is 5211. Next is 5213. Next is 5215. Next is, next it is not coming here, so we will write at the now down now 5217. And last number is 5219. This is the last number with the comma. Make comma. Okay. Now skip counting. We are going to do skip counting, means we are going to add 5 with the number, that is 5554 plus 5 is 5559. Then we will add 55, we are going to write as it is. 59 plus 5 is 64. So just write here 64. Next is just add 5 again. So 5 will be the same, but 64 will become 69. Okay. Next is 5,569 plus 5 will be 74. Next is 5,574 plus 5 is 79. Okay, we have to write in 4 places. So we have written. Now next is, it is very simple. It is like a table of 5. 6,010, comma, 6,015, comma, 6,020, comma, 6,025. This is the answer. Okay, students. Now, keep counting in hundreds and complete the pattern. 100 means you have to add 1 at 100 place like this. Like 10 is there, 0 is there, then it comes 1. Now we will just put 1 as it is, but 1 will become 2. 45 as it is. Next will be 1, 3, 3, and then 45 as it is. 1, 4, and 45 as it is. Then 1, 5, and 45 as it is. This is the answer. Next is, again we have, what we have to do is we have to add 100 to 100 place, that is 3,986 plus 100 is 4,186. Then it will be very easy for us, that because we have to add 1 at 100 place. 100 place is 0. So 4 as it is, but 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 and 6 as it is. 86 as it is. 4,286 as it is. 4,386 as it is. 4,486 as it is. This is the answer. So we have done this 1.4 also. Now we will do 1.5. Yes, students, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. That I have already told you, that if we want to round off the number nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1000, how we will do it? Let's start our exercise number 1.5. In that we will do round off number nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So here it is given 28. 28, 8. We will see 8 because we want to make it round off at tens place. So 28 means it is more than 4, more than 5. So we will add 2 1 at tens place. That will be 3 and that will be 0. 30. It will be round off to 30 because it has it has 8 at one's place, so it is more than 5 or more than 4. Now it is 5, it is middle number, so we will make it 50. We will add 1 at 4 tens place, that is 4. 173, it will be 170 only because 3 is the lesser number. 187 will be 190 because 8 plus 1 will be 9 and 0 we will add to 1's place. Next is 1298. 98 is coming, so it is going to be added. So here it comes 1 3 and then it is 0 0 because 8 is there. So it is 300 and 1000 will be the same. Now round off the following number to the nearest 100. The nearest 100 we have to see the tens place, that is 4. It is going to be the same. So we are going to write here 200 only because it is 48. 376 it is, so we have to write here 400. We have to add 1 to 100 place. 459 is also bigger, so we will write here 500. Next is 1615. 1600 will be the answer because it is 15 at tens place. 2850 will become 2900 because it is 850. Okay, 850 means 50 is there at tens place. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to round off the following number to the nearest thousand. Thousand for thousand we will see 100 place. 100 place is 4. So we are not going to add anything. We just put it 1000. Okay, next is 4657. So it is going to be added. It will be 5000. Why? Because it is 6 at 100 place. 3798, it means it is going to be 4 and 1000 because it is 7 at 100 place. 6783 means 7 is bigger than 5, bigger than 4 and bigger than one middle number, so it is going to be 7000. Next is 8454. 4 is smaller, so 8 is going to be the same and the answer will be 8000. That's it. We have done round of numbers also. Now students, we are going to do quickly chapter check of what we have learned in our chapters. We are going to check it. Now what is it? Tick the correct option. The greatest four-digit number is greatest. Greatest means we have to tick the greatest number. That is 4 times 9 is the greatest number of four digit. 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? That are hundreds. How many hundred? 1000 is equal to 1000. The place value of 1 is more in the place value of 1. Place value of 1 here 381, 318, 3108, and here it is the place value 1. One place value is more. More means सबसे ज़्यादा, bigger. It is at one's place. It is at one's place. It is at tens place. It is at 100 place. But thousand place value is more. The most important one. What is the face value of 3? We know that the place value changes, but the face value never changes. That is 3 same number. Predecessor of 1000 is 999. Just less 1 and put 99 three times. It is the answer. Now write the following number in figure. 3457. We will write it in number. So let's start. Here 3 we will write first of all. 3 because it is at 1000 place, then 4 at 100 place, and 5 at tens place, and 7 at ones place. So this is the answer 3457. Next is 7826. This is the answer 4038. Here you have to notice that at 100 place there is no number. So what we are going to write here 4000, but 0 at 100 place and 3 at tens place and 8 at ones place. So this will be the answer 4038. 1717. So 1100, 1700 and 17. 1717, like this. We have done it. Our numbers in figures too. Now students, we will write the place value of 5 in A part. 5 in 7529. What is it? That is 500. 500 is 500. What is the place value of 4 in 7934? That is 4 only, the same number. Or we can say 4 ones, because it is at ones place. zero place value in 1053, that is of 100. So we will write here 000 100. Next is 2 place value of in 2000. So we are going to write here 2000. This is the answer. Now we are going to do expanded form. That is 2000. We will add 1, add the digit, that is 500. Then again add sign, then 10, then again the add sign, then 9. This will be the expanded of form of 2519. Now next is 7000 plus 0, because 0 at 100 place there is 0. Next is 10, next is 5. So 7000, 10 and 5, that is 15 is the answer. Now compare the numeral using the sign. We are going to use the sign here. See, 2000, 2000, 400, 600. So we get the answer that 600 is more than 400. Okay, 8000, 8000. Okay, 0, 100 and 800. So we get the answer. We will stop here and we will mark the greater one. 5000, 5000. Okay, they are equal. Then 100, 200. So we get the answer. 200 is more than 100. 9000, 6000. We get the answer in our first attempt. That is 9000. 5000, 5000. 100, 100. Okay, they are also same. But 51 and 15, which is bigger? 51 is bigger. So simple. With the concentration, with the proper attention, we will do it very quickly. 8000, 8000, 600, 400. It means 600 is greater than 400. Now, this is ascending order. We are going to write here ascending order. In that, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000, 4 times 2000 are there, means same, the numbers are there. Then 100, then 400, then 100, then 100. But in 100, this 2128 is the smallest one. Next is 2148 is the bigger to 2128 but smaller to 2182. And what is the biggest of all? That is 2418. This is the biggest of all. Next is 9400 and then 9490, then 2940. So it is 2940 is the smallest number. After that 9400 will come because in one sentence there is no place. So after that 9400 will come, then 9460 will come, 9460 will come, and after that the biggest number is 9490. This is the answer. We have done ascending order too, and in our chapter also we have done ascending and descending. Descending is nothing but the opposite of that. Now students, we will match the following with that. Successor of 2195 is, it should be 96. So we are going to match it with 2196. Next is predecessor of 1999. That will be 1999. Producer is less, that is 98. 1000, 2132 rounded up to the nearest tens. Nearest tens, it will be 30 because it is 2 at one's place. So 30 is 2130. 5678 rounded off to the nearest 100. So 100 for 100 we see 7. So answer will come 5 and 6 is going to be added with 1 and it will become 5700. Okay. Next is 5700 is equal to 5700. Now, smallest four-digit number formed using smallest. Smallest means we have to add first of all 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. This is the following. Now, what we are going to do is complete the following. Complete the following. In that, we have to see the pattern. 2000 is the same. 488, 18, and then 20, then 22. It means it is going to be added with 2. 2422 plus 2 is 24. 2424 is going to be plus with 2 and the answer will be 26. 2426 is going to be added with 2 and answer will be 2028. 2428. Next will be 2400 and that will be 30. And this is the answer. Next will be 5405. Okay. 5410. It means it is going to be skip counting of 5. So what we are going to do, we are going to write the table of 5 only and 54 as it is because 5400 will remain as it is and it will become 20. Then 25. 5425, 5430, then 5435. This will be the answer. Next, 1802. Okay, 1902. It means it is going to be add with 1 at 100 place. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 1. That will be 2102. 2202. 2302. 2402. Like this, it is like a game for us. We are playing with the digit and it is very easy. Next is 3050. Okay, it is going to be added with how many digits? That is 20. Just see 70 it is written and 60 it is gone. So what we are going to do? We are going to follow the same pattern, that is 3050, 3060, leave it. 3070, then 3090. 3090 has come. After that what will come? If we add 20 with that, like if we add 20 we will get 3110 because we are leaving 100. After that 3000, 210 is going to be leave and answer will come 310. Okay, it is 3110 and after that comma put comma and we are going to add 20 in that. So it means 3100 plus 20 is 3130. We are leaving 20. Next is 3150 because we are leaving 40. 3170 because we are leaving 60. Like this. We have done our pattern also. Now we have to make what? We have to make this is indicated, that is greatest. What is the spelling of greatest? Greatest. Greatest. Smallest means the Smallest means सबसे छोटा and greatest means सबसे बड़ा. So what we are going to do, greatest, for greatest we have to make we have to take out the greatest digit, that is 9, that is 6, and that is 5, and then 0. 0 can come at one's place to make it greatest. But if we talk about smallest number, then we can't make 0 and it at front because it will be of 3-digit number then. So after that 2009 is given and we have to make the smallest number, and it is the smallest number. Okay, because 2009 is the smallest of all. It is already written like this. Now the greatest number is 9. So we will put 9, then 6, then 4, then 2. 9642 is the greatest of all. Smallest number, that will be a 4 digit. So we are going to make it 9000 only. 9000 is the smallest number. If we put 0 in front, it is of 1-digit number. And if we put at its ones place and tens place and then 9, it is at 100 place. So we will put 9000 to make it 4-digit smallest number. Now student, this is the last point of our activity checkup. In that we have check up all the chapters point. In that what we have to do is we have to write E for even or O for odd even numbers. So odd numbers, what we do, just see here. We will be seeing here this at one's place. This is 8. So it is even number. We will put E here. We will write E here because it is even number. 5, 6, 9, 6. Again, this is 6. So it is also even number because it is 6 at one's place. And I have told you 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. When comes at one's place is called even number. 9 at one's place means it is odd. Now next is D. 5 at one's place is odd. So we will put here is O. After that 1 at one's place is odd number. So this number is also considered as odd number. 3 at one's place is also known as odd numbers. Full number is odd. 3333 means 3333. That is an odd number. So students, we have come to an end with this chapter number 1. In our next session, we will go forward with the chapters 2 and we enjoy maths. Okay, daily do practice. Okay, bye for today. Have a good day.